Hello everybody, thanks for tuning in. It's your boy One Take Wonder coming at you with a review how to, don't do to save you time, money, and frustration. What we have going on in this video is a question that's been on my mind. How do I get the single headlight for low beams to display on my Panigale? Well, the answer is I can't. The engineers have programmed the sensors of the bike to determine how much light to give in certain riding conditions. So when it's very bright outside, you may see a very dim light bars if you don't have your brights on. And when it starts to get darker outside, if you don't have your brights on, your lights will be more bright white, and it may even throw on a single headlight. So again, it's in the sensors, no option that you can choose, but that was a question that's been on my mind. So hopefully this helps you as well. If you had any questions regarding that, once again, it's your boy One Take Wonder coming at you with a review how to, don't do, save you time, money, and frustration. Thanks for tuning in. Keep the rubber side down. Twinkle, twinkle.